Hello YouTube, and welcome back to Multitool School. The topic today is the Leatherman Flair. This tool has been retired for a while, but I thought it might be interesting to take a look at the features of the Leatherman Flair. However, today at Multitool School, we're going to have a pop quiz. You remember a pop quiz? Clear your desk. No cheating. The pop quiz today is this multi-tool. It features a plain edge blade and something a little bit different from some tools, and all ordinary screwdrivers, a file blade, somewhat standard features except for the awl. On the other handle, we have a saw, a Phillips driver, a small screwdriver, can opener, and a blade that is serrated across the full length of the blade, not just partially serrated. The blade is serrated all of the way, and one other feature that might be of interest on the can opener, if I can get to it here, there it is. It has a wire stripper placed right here at the base of the can opener. So, today's pop quiz, what is it? Now, to get to the main topic today, this Leatherman Flair. You see the grips here, says Leatherman Tool on it, just like the original Leatherman. The name Flair shows up here on this outside accessory that has a can opener on this side and a bottle opener on this side. But of course, the main purpose of this device is intended to be used with the corkscrew for opening a wine bottle. And you place this little point right here on the lip of the wine bottle, and as you insert the corkscrew, this is has a lifting action to lift that corkscrew out of the wine bottle. Don't have any wine bottles here, so I can't demonstrate that to you. But that's the tools on the outside of the Leatherman Flair. On the inside, you have, guess what? A pair of scissors. Now, scissors did not come on the original Leatherman tool. These scissors are the same scissors that are found on this Leatherman PS2. The Flair actually has several things in common with the PS2. but particularly the scissors. Now, in addition to scissors on the Flair, you're going to find somewhat ordinary screwdriver blades and so on. If I can get to them in here, there it is. There. But the item that you probably have heard the most about is this right here. The cocktail fork. The infamous cocktail fork. But this is kind of goes along with the theme of having the corkscrew and the wine cork remover and so on. You have a cocktail fork on the Leatherman Flair. In the other handle, you have this knife blade that is a combo. You have the serrated, partially serrated blade and the plain edge blade here. And again, this is something that has kind of been borrowed from the PS2. It has the combo blade on it. There's the two of them side by side. So there's the combo blade, and guess what? Another item that has been somewhat infamous with the Flair, notorious. It's the spreader blade. I guess it's kind of goes along with that cocktail party theme. Other than that, you have the typical screwdriver blades and Phillips screwdriver. So you have the Leatherman Flair, retired, no longer in production. You get basically the same tools as a PST2 with the addition of the wine bottle tools, the cocktail spreader knife, and the infamous cocktail fork. Good luck with your pop quiz. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.